Looking for something that's super easy to apply throughout the day to keep your face secured from the sun and the sun damage, I love this one. I've tried so many different sprays, and this one is the most, it goes on the lightest. Like, it has the most even spray, and I love how it smells as well. It doesn't feel like you're wearing sunscreen. It's got SPF 50, which is a lot better than a 30, especially because I'm not trying to add to my sunspots, but I also like to add it like on my hand. It's got a really nice mist, but I'm trying to not let my hands get so much sun exposure, especially when I'm driving. I feel like that's where they get the most, and I'm trying to avoid getting these spots or any more of them. So this is my go-to. I stick it in my purse. This is a travel size, which I love because it's the perfect amount to be able to stick in my carry-on, my purse, any which way, and be on the go and have it. But this Vacation brand is so fun. I've been using them. I have their other sunscreens too. I'm obsessed. They have great marketing, but I really love this one because you can spritz it on your face, over your makeup, under your makeup. It doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't leave a weird residue, grime, or grit. I hate that feeling. And you can also spray it any which way. So like your chest, your neck, your hands. It's a little bottle, but it does pack a lot in it. So happy shopping. I hope you love this too. I don't think that you would ever find something that's better than this one. At least I haven't yet. And I've tried like 4 or 5 different kinds. So this is the winner for me. Happy shopping.